Hi everybody, welcome to the MAPMRP settings training video. My name is Carl Williams and I'll be the host of today's session. I am the Customer Success Training Specialist for AutoQuotes. Today we're going to talk about adding MAP and MRP pricing settings into AutoQuotes CPQ. Before we can do that, let's talk about what is MAP and MRP. The MAP, or the minimum advertised price, this is a vendor set price for their products that they ask the dealers not to sell below that price. An MRP is a maximum retail price. The MRP is the vendor set maximum price for a product, and dealers are advised not to sell or advertise above that price. Why would a vendor want to establish an MAP MRP? In a word, for fairness. MAP MRPs promote fair competition across all distribution channels. Consistent pricing sends a clear message about the brand's value to its buyers. It's for this reason that vendors are particular about their pricing. Undercutting the price is not fair, as it takes away business from other dealers. In fact, some vendors are known to have enforcement policies for dealerships that break these guidelines. So what we've done is give you the options now to go in and enter your MAP MRP pricing as a percentage per manufacturer in the manufacturer settings. You can also automate dates on which your MAP pricing will begin and end automatically. Once you've entered in MAP pricing into manufacturer settings, when you're in the catalog looking up a product from a vendor, you'll be able to see the MAP price rendered in the specifications for that product. This will help prevent confusion and always ensure that you're quoting the correct and accurate pricing from your vendors. In the project spreadsheet, we have a column available for MAP pricing. And you can display that column at any time by clicking on the Choose Columns icon and dragging that column from the Hidden section over to the Visible Column section. And once the column is displayed, you'll be able to actually view what the actual MAP MRP is for your product directly from your project spreadsheet. Thank you for your time today. For technical support, please reach out to us at our support number 866-452-8324 or email us at support@aq-fes.com. If you have any additional questions about your account or about your licensing, you can also reach out to customer success at aq-fes.com or subscribe to our mailing list at our homepage, aq-fes.com.